Kind of.
Get fucked. Hate this shotgun. Where are we going?
No, guys, there's people attacking him. They're on the floor there. I took the chopper.
Oh my god, what are we doing?
Take the chopper and get out then.
Where are you going?
Damien, jump to this side.
Just take
So
the
why
chopper
do
and
we?
go.
We could kill that idiot. We
can?
grab that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Just
Where is he?
This
Where
is
is he?
a
Where is
solo.
he? It's a solo?
He's on purple. I think he's a solo. I'm gonna go grab that scavenger.
Where did he go?
It was on purple last I saw.
He was on the floor?
Yeah.
Oh, he's to the right, on the floor to the right, with purple marker. See him running?
Right there. There's another guy up here.
What?
He's coming to you. There.
Oh, with a pistol! You bitch!
Nice.
With a
Where'd the other guy
pistol! Get on fucked up. Get on fucked up.
There's another guy still here. Watch out.
I'm protecting the chopper.
He was down here somewhere. Oh, I should have grabbed this. What the frick am I doing? Where's this scavenger at?
There's a guy all the way over there.
I think it's, yeah, it's down there.
Dude with a pistol.